Good morning. With me I have
Anshuman Das. I'm the chairman and managing director of National Aluminium Company. It's a Government of India company. Actually, I'm here as a member of the Government of India delegation. We have a very strong delegation from the country. About more than 40 people are participating here. The delegation is headed by Additional Secretary Department of Mines, Government of India, Mr. R. Sridharan. And we have delegations from the Government of India, the provincial governments, the major public sector undertakings, and major private enterprises also. We have been here since the beginning of the PDAC, and we have been participating in PDAC since last several years. And the takeaways from PDAC has been very encouraging for us. And this year also you are here to promote the different sectors of the Indian mining industry and see if we can get in for growth through joint ventures and acquisitions.
I noticed you have many subdivisions involved in your organization as per
just behind me you can see National Aluminium Company. That's the company I am heading presently. We have also members from Hindustan Copper, that is the copper manufacturing company. You have Uranium Corporation of India. We have Indian Rare Earths company. We have Geological Survey of India, which is the premier geological survey. In fact, it's the second geological survey organization in the world after the Britishers started it actually. And we have the Mineral Exploration Corporation. We have Tata Steel. And all these people are, presenting their brochures and the company profiles, which you can see over the televisions displayed here, actually.
So far, the show has been good?
It's been really good for us. Yesterday, we had the India Day celebration. We all made our presentations, country-specific presentations, sectoral presentation we made. And there is a lot of interest shown by the participants, the delegates of PDAC, and particularly the community which are of Indian origins residing in Canada. And there are a lot of interactions thereafter. So I think we'll definitely benefit out of this, and the relationship between both India and Canada will grow through this particular venture.
Well, that's very good. I thank you very much. Again, Zach Millardo reporting from Africa Trade Magazine, PDAC 2014, Toronto, Canada.